Oh, brother, what is this? Fruit basket upset. We just had this bed delivered, and we had it installed, but I had to take it all apart. Why did I have to do that? Well, I wanted to slide it over because I need to cut a cut-in box into the wall there for the coaxial cable for the cable TV. We could not get any of the existing cables in the condo to time out and test out properly. The cable guy was here for about 3.5 hours the other day, and so we came up with a plan. Somebody must have nailed the coaxial cable or stapled it or screwed onto it or cut it off when they were doing some demolition, when they were doing some remodeling or something like that. We cannot get this cable to work at all. These cables are something that goes up on the roof for an antenna dish, and we don't want the dish. We want the cable that comes in from the street, and that's what we're gonna do. So he gave me all this cable, and so today it's my job to fish it down the wall and down into the garage and everything, and that's what I'm getting ready to do. And see, they don't make beds like they used to. I mean, this stuff is like particle board, press board stuff, and the same thing with the headboard. And once you start trying to drag that on the carpet, I mean, it's just almost impossible without ripping it apart. And once you set it down, it insets into your carpet. So you're trying to drag it, and you're trying to drag it over all your other carpet, especially, you know, on the headboard. The headboard, see, it dug itself a hole in here already.